Example 7.6. In Young's double slit experiment, the two slits are 0.15 millimeter apart. The light source has a wavelength of 450 nanometer. The screen is 2 meter away from the slits. Find the distance of the second bright fringe and also the third dark fringe from the central maximum. Find the fringe width. How will the fringe pattern change if the screen is moved away from the slits? What will happen to the fringe width if the whole setup is immersed in water of refractive index 4 by 3? Now let us write the given data. Now here the two slits are 0.15 millimeter apart. So the distance is given. So the D is equal to 0.15 millimeter. So which can be written as 0.15 into 10 raised to minus 3 meter. Okay. And the screen is 2 meter away from the slits. So capital D is given, that is 2 meter. Okay. And the wavelength is lambda is equal to 450 nanometer. And the other data given is the refractive index. So we can write the refractive index as mu. Mu is equal to 4 by 3. Okay. So we'll go for one by one. So we'll go the first part. A is equal to. Find the distance of the second bright fringe and also third dark fringe from the central maximum. Now we'll go for writing the equation of the nth dark bright fringe. Okay. So equation of nth bright fringe. So what is the equation of nth bright fringe? We can write it as yn is equal to n lambda d by d. Okay. So what we have to find it out is the distance of second bright fringe. So yn is the distance. Okay. So for second bright fringe I can write it as y2. So y2 is equal to, what is the n value? N value is equal to 2. Okay. So 2 into lambda value is 450 nanometers. So 450 into 10 raised to minus 9. D value is 2. Okay. Divided by small d value is 1.15 into 10 raised to minus 3. Okay. So here we can go for multiplication. Here it is 450 into 4. Okay. This is 1800 divided by 0.15 into 10 raised to minus 9 plus 3. So it is minus 6. Okay. So if you divide this, you will be getting it as 12 into 10 raised to minus 3 meter, which you can write it as 12 millimeter. Okay. Now we have to go for finding the third dark fringe, distance of the third dark fringe. So if we can write the equation of nth dark fringe. So what is the equation of nth dark fringe? That is yn is equal to 2n minus 1 lambda d by 2d. This is small d. So you can write it as, here it is y3 because it is a third dark fringe. So here you can write 2 into 3 minus 1 into 450 into 10 raised to minus 9 into d value is 2 divided by 2 into small d is 0.15 into 10 raised to minus 3. So this and this will get cancelled. So what will you get here is 6 minus 1 is 5. 5 into 450 into 10 raised to minus 9 divided by 0.15 into 10 raised to minus 3. So this is 2250 by 0.15 into 10 raised to minus 6. When you divide this, you will be getting it as 15 into 10 raised to minus 3 meter, or you can write it as 15 millimeters. So that is your distance of the third dark French. Now we will go for the second part, that is B part, to find the French width. Okay. So what is the equation of French width? So equation of French width, that is beta is equal to lambda d by d. So you know all the details. Lambda you know, capital D you know, and small d we know. So beta is equal to 450 into 10 raised to minus 9 into 2 divided by 0.15 into 10 raised to minus 3. So what you can write, 1000, this is 900. 900 into 10 raised to minus 6 divided by 0.15. So what we'll be getting here is 6 into 10 raised to minus 3, or you can write it as 6 millimeters. So this is your value for French width. Now we'll go to the next part. How will you find the fringe pattern change if the screen is moved away from the slits? So if the screen is moved away from the slits, so there is an increase in what? D. Okay. So the fringe width, the relationship between the fringe width and capital D. So here D is increased. So what will happen if D is increased? So here beta is equal to lambda D by D. So what is the relationship between beta and D? Beta is proportional to D. So as D increases, the fringe width will also what? Increase. So what we can write? The fringe width will increase as D is increased. Next one, D. The question is, what will happen to the fringe width if the whole setup is immersed in water of refractive index 4 by 3? Now we are keeping the whole setup inside the water. So the refractive index is given as how much? 4 by 3. Okay. Now the fringe width will decrease when it is kept inside the water. Okay. Here we know beta is equal to lambda d by d. Now what is the relationship between beta and lambda? Beta is equal to proportional to lambda. Okay. So initially the fringe width is proportional to the wavelength of the light. Now the whole setup is immersed in water. Now we have to find out the new fringe width. So we can write beta dash is proportional to lambda dash. Okay. Now we have to find it out beta dash. We have to find it out what? Beta dash. This is the setup which is not kept in water. Here it is kept in water. Okay. Now we know the relationship between the wavelength and the refractive index. Okay. So what is the relationship between wavelength and refractive index? So wavelength and refractive index is mu is equal to lambda by lambda dash. Lambda by what? Lambda dash. So what you can write it here? What is lambda dash? Lambda dash is equal to lambda by mu. Okay. Now I am going to write it as beta by beta dash. Beta dash by beta. Beta dash by beta is equal to lambda dash by lambda. For lambda dash I am going to write it as lambda by mu by lambda. Okay. So the lambda and lambda will get cancelled. So what will be getting 1 by mu. So what is the value of mu? Mu is 4 by 3. So 1 by mu is 3 by 4. 1 by mu is what? 3 by 4. Beta dash by beta is equal to 3 by 4. So what is beta dash? Beta dash is equal to 3 beta by 4. Okay. So what is 3 into beta value is 6 into 10 raised to minus 3 divided by 4. So what will you get here? You will be getting here it as 4.5 into 10 raised to minus 3. So which can be written as 4.5 millimeter. Okay, so this is the value of the new fringe width. Here we can find the fringe width is decreasing. Okay, when it is not immersed in water, the value is 6 into 10 raised to minus 3. Here when it is immersed in water, it is the value of the fringe width is 4.5 into 10 raised to minus 3.